Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limbo Mwale. Today I'm in Mbombela Stadium to witness the Petro Premiership clash between Orlando Pirates and Nairobi College. A game that shows control the scoreline of 2-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, seeing them being crowned the Petro Premiership champions. Nyalo na Mama 3-0. Mama 3-0. Congratulations. Umufika Mbombela. Umuka na 3 points or umuka na trophy. Nyalo umuka na Petro Premiership.
I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. Our police, he make miscarriage. One phela ngama nga 3-3. Ngama nga 3-3. I can come to Mbombela and then party 2.
Sure.
Bantwana bamba 3.
Sure.
3-0 or 6-0.
Sure.
Injalo. So our police disappointed. Our police is straight you. Igol yakho ibulela umntwana wami oyi1. Senginabantwana bayi2 man. Sengihamba ngama 2-0. But anyway, congratulations for everything that happened.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngijabulile. Mara anyway ngizodla imali yepolice yamntwana wami oyi1. A police dala pathe. Ipolice phela ngoba police. Uyaphathala umntwana ula. Mara umphathele le police. Sizodla yona. Ayi1. Kushala 2.
Mama ka 3-0 performance yabafana the way badlale ngayo le season lena.
Ngikhala nga police ayi1.
Okay.
Ngithi uma uyenze ukuthi umntwana wami ayi1 afu.
Miscarriage.
Mina miscarriage ayi1. Nama trains sokusele nge2.
Twins.
A police. Ngikhala nga police neta, ngikhala ngomuntu omunye. Mara i-first goal yakhe ngiyazi ukuthi uzobuya yabo. World Cup first goal yakhe ibe izoba first goal yakhe.
Sure.
A police. Thank you.
Mama ka 3-0 icembu silibonile season le way idlale ngayo. Uma ulibuka the way idlala ngayo man le season lena man. Yes. Makhona amaningi nakangaka mama ka 3-0. Yabela sure ukuthi either mama ngakushaya nga 2 yabo 3 na bakushaya nga 3 straight mama ka 3-0. Lendo labafana bonke bathume yona bebayenda le season le.
Nebayenza everything, they do it. Everything is done.
Maintain umntwana.
Oh mntwana yo cabanga 6-0.
Sure.
3-0. 3-0. 2-0. At least kumnandi sinento yethu sedlela kwento yethu yabo. Chiefs, I'm sorry ne. Maybe lizoba grind next time. Thank you.
Boy, cool mama ka 3-0. Congratulations on winning the Petro Premiership League.